we're going to buy this. We're going to have $50,000 in cash invested in it when we buy it. Then I'm going to probably have, I don't know, another $5,000, maybe more in engineering fees. I'm not real sure. I didn't ask for a price on it. I use the same guy I've used for more than 20 years. He goes out and does the work, and he sends me a bill. So, you know, maybe 5,000, maybe more or less, I don't know. So we'll get the surveying on this right here. That's an added cost to it. Then I got a couple of different options. I may instantly start construction of the first duplex because I can. But I may also say I'm not going to start the construction of it because I want to go ahead and run it through planning and zoning one time and let them turn me down or let them give me a guideline of what they're willing to accept or not willing to accept. We'll see. We'll go from that aspect of it or that angle. I'm going to take you in a minute. I'll show you another lot that we're looking at building on that we got a contract on that we're going to be building. So we'll talk about that also. As people are looking, saying they want to do land development deals, this is the basic thing. I will sit on this. We're supposed to close it hopefully in the next 20 days or so, 30 days. It'll be closed out. It'll be my property. Then I will sit on it until I definitively know exactly what my next step is. And if the next step is putting a house right there, then I'm not going to put that house over there in that corner until I know what my next step is after that house. If I don't know what I can do at the back of this land, and I don't know that I can do other things, then I am not going to move forward, because sometimes you can move forward and do something and then it affects what you're going to do down the road. So I don't want to close any of my other doors. I want to leave everything open. You know how we measured over there at the house that we had to be 10 feet off of the line or 12 feet, whatever it was?
Right.
Same thing. It has to be 20 feet off of the back line. So drive a stake right there, 20 feet behind that stake is where my property line needs to be if I want my house to sit right there. I'll pull a driveway off of it right here.
Okay, so from there, straight up.
Yep.